Hi, it's Nathan here, and today we're talking about safety management systems for construction. So construction is going to include most of your tradespeople, residential construction, commercial construction, civil, infrastructure, and utilities. The tricky thing about construction from a safety perspective is pretty much every hazard you can imagine exists in a construction environment. Working at heights, mobile plant, hazcam, electrical hazards. So I'll post a link to a video on the core safety documentation that should be in every safety system in the description. In addition to that, a safety management system for construction will include things like safe work method statements, WHS management plans, maybe permit to work systems, verifications of competency, plant risk assessments, site inductions, supplier or subcontractor management procedures, and subcontractor pre-qualifications, all that sort of stuff. So hope that helps. See you next time.